In the ancient land of Egypt, where the mighty Nile River flowed gracefully, a powerful and fearsome deity ruled over the waters. His name was Sobek, the crocodile god, known as the divine guardian of the Nile. With the body of a human and the head of a crocodile, Sobek was both revered and feared by the people of Egypt. Legend has it that Sobek was born from the primordial waters, a testament to the raw power of creation. He was said to possess the strength of the crocodile, the cunning of the hunter, and the wisdom of the gods. The Nile River, the lifeblood of Egypt, was his domain, and he took great pride in protecting its bountiful resources. The people of Egypt understood the importance of Sobek's role as the guardian of the Nile. They believed that it was Sobek who kept the river's waters flowing smoothly, ensuring fertile soil for their crops and abundant fish for their sustenance. They worshipped him with offerings and prayers, seeking his favor and protection. But Sobek was not only a force to be revered, he was also a deity of balance. As much as he gave life, he had the power to take it away. The crocodile was known for its ferocity, and Sobek embodied that primal nature. He stood as a symbol of the dangers that lurked within the Nile's depths, ready to strike at those who disrespected its power. It was during the reign of Pharaoh Amenhotep that a great drought struck the land of Egypt. The Nile River began to shrink, and the crops withered away. Panic and despair spread throughout the kingdom as famine loomed over the people. In their time of desperation, the people turned to Sobek, beseeching him to restore the Nile's abundance. They gathered at the banks of the river, offering prayers and sacrifices to their divine protector. Moved by their devotion, Sobek emerged from the depths of the Nile, his eyes glowing with an intense power. Sobek surveyed the parched land, his scales shimmering in the sunlight. He recognized the people's plight and their unwavering faith in him. With a mighty roar, he dived back into the river, disappearing beneath the surface. Days turned into weeks, and the people anxiously awaited Sobek's return. Finally, one fateful morning, the sound of thunderous splashes echoed through the land. The river surged, its waters rising and flowing with newfound vigor. The drought was over, and the Nile River thrived once more. It was clear that Sobek had answered the people's prayers. The fields became lush with crops, and the fishermen's nets overflowed with fish. The kingdom rejoiced, and gratitude for Sobek filled the hearts of all. From that day forward, Sobek's legend grew even stronger. He became an eternal symbol of protection, fertility, and abundance. The people of Egypt celebrated him through grand festivals, offering him the finest treasures as a token of their appreciation. Through the ages, the stories of Sobek, the crocodile god, were passed down from generation to generation. His presence remained woven into the fabric of Egyptian culture, a reminder of the delicate balance between life and death, power and humility. And whenever the Nile River flowed gently, its waters reflecting the warmth of the sun, the people whispered a prayer of gratitude to the divine guardian of the Nile, Sobek, the crocodile god.